this agreement between Somalia and Somalia, which is based on airspace. The rumor is saying the car transferred to the Somali government to the Somali airspace without permission of Somalia. Why this happens and who will take the responsibility if it comes to some insecurity?
You know, airspace management is in the interests of both, of everybody, of the world, in fact. Airspace cannot be an area of dispute, because then it will shut down. So I think there needs to be an immediate discussion between Somalia, Somaliland, ICAO, to clarify the basis upon which airspace management will be undertaken over the skies here. Again, to make sure that any misunderstandings are resolved. I know the Foreign Minister is going to be addressing this in the coming days. In fact, maybe you're in a better position to answer that question than I am. But ultimately, there has to be respect for the agreements between Hargeisa and Mogadishu as to the basis upon which this should be done. And if there are any misunderstandings about that, they need to be clarified, because it is in the common interest of everybody that this is resolved. There is no win-lose situation here. It's either win-win or lose-lose. So I hope this is resolved as quickly as possible.
Thank you very much.